In 2025, real luxury isn't always hiding behind a Mercedes or BMW badge. Some of the smartest buyers are skipping the six-figure price tags and finding cars that look ordinary until you sit inside and realize they deliver comfort, features, and refinement you'd expect from true luxury. Today, we're revealing 7 hidden gems that prove luxury isn't about the nameplate. Luxury has always carried a price tag, or at least, that's what most people believe. For decades, if you wanted soft-touch interiors, whisper-quiet cabins, advanced driver assistance, or premium ride quality, you had to spend big money and shop at dealerships with prestige logos. But in 2025, that idea is being turned upside down. Automakers are quietly packing upscale features into models that, on the surface, look modest and affordable. We're talking about vehicles that might not get a second glance in the parking lot. Yet step inside, and you'll find leather-like interiors, cutting-edge infotainment systems, smooth suspensions, and technology once reserved for cars twice the price. Some even outperform luxury competitors in comfort, safety, and long-term reliability. That's what makes these cars so shocking. They don't flaunt their luxury, they hide it. And for the smart buyer, that's the best kind of luxury: understated, practical, and accessible. So let's dive in. Here are 7 cars in 2025 that look cheap but secretly drive like luxury on wheels. Number 7. Hyundai Sonata. If you only glanced at the 2025 Hyundai Sonata in a parking lot, you'd probably mistake it for just another affordable commuter car. Its sleek but understated styling doesn't scream luxury, and that's exactly why so many people are shocked when they actually get inside. The cabin feels like it belongs in a much more expensive car. Hyundai has reworked the interior with a massive curved display that blends the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one sweeping panel, the same kind of design you'd expect in a Mercedes or BMW. Soft touch surfaces line the dash, doors, and center console, and the ambient lighting creates an atmosphere that feels modern and premium. The ride itself is equally surprising. At highway speeds, the cabin stays hushed, with road and wind noise nearly eliminated thanks to upgraded insulation. Steering is smooth and precise, while the suspension absorbs bumps with grace, offering a refined, almost Lexus-like ride quality. Even the hybrid model feels polished, providing a balance of performance and efficiency that doesn't compromise comfort. And here's the kicker. While luxury sedans from German brands can easily cross $60,000, the Sonata comes in at less than half that. It's the definition of cheap on the outside, luxury on the inside. And while Hyundai proves a midsize sedan can deliver unexpected refinement, Mazda has taken things a step further, crafting an SUV that blends rugged practicality with a cabin that feels far more expensive than its badge suggests. Number 6. Mazda CX-50. Mazda has quietly been creeping into luxury territory for years, and the 2025 CX-50 is their boldest move yet. On the surface, it looks like a tough, outdoorsy crossover designed for adventure. The wide stance, roof rails, and rugged detailing suggest utility more than luxury. But step inside, and the story completely changes. The CX-50's interior is a masterclass in understated elegance. High-quality leather seats with detailed stitching, a driver-focused cockpit, and minimalist Japanese-inspired design make the cabin feel like something from Acura or Lexus. The placement of controls, the textures of the materials, and the restrained but modern styling all scream premium craftsmanship. Driving it adds another layer of surprise. Unlike many crossovers that feel soft or disconnected, the CX-50 delivers sharp steering and agile handling that makes it feel smaller than it is. It glides over rough roads, but stays composed through corners, striking a balance that many so-called luxury SUVs fail to achieve. Road noise is impressively muted, enhancing the sense of serenity inside the cabin. And yet, the CX-50 is priced thousands less than the European crossovers it feels competitive with. For buyers who don't care about badges but want the driving feel and comfort of a luxury SUV, the CX-50 is a revelation. But if Mazda shocks you by hiding luxury inside an SUV, Honda goes even further, taking one of the most ordinary family sedans on the market and elevating it into a car that feels like it belongs in an entirely different league. Number 5. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has long been the go-to sedan for families, commuters, and anyone who wanted bulletproof reliability. But in 2025, it has quietly transformed into a car that delivers near luxury levels of comfort and refinement without the luxury car price tag. From the outside, the Accord doesn't demand attention. Its styling is clean and mature, almost conservative, and that's why most people would never suspect just how good it feels once you're inside. The cabin is one of the quietest in its class, with extensive insulation that reduces road, wind, and engine noise to a whisper. The dashboard design is sleek, modern, and uncluttered, with premium finishes that feel far removed from the cheap plastics of older generations. Honda has also fitted it with one of the most user-friendly infotainment systems in the industry, with a large high-resolution display and seamless smartphone integration. But the biggest surprise comes when you start driving. The new hybrid system is buttery smooth, with electric assistance giving effortless acceleration while maintaining fuel economy that rivals compact cars. The suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control, gliding over bumps while still feeling planted on the highway. It's the kind of composure you'd expect from a $50,000 luxury sedan, not a mainstream Honda. And the value doesn't stop at comfort. Honda's legendary reliability means buyers are essentially getting long-lasting, low-maintenance luxury at a fraction of the cost. For families who want refinement without the premium price, the Accord might just be the ultimate sleeper luxury car of 2025. And if Honda has managed to disguise a family sedan as a near-luxury car, just wait until we get to Toyota, because their latest move takes practicality and blends it with upscale comfort in a way that rivals even entry-level Lexus models. Number 4. Toyota Crown. For years, Toyota was known mainly for practical, no-nonsense cars like the Camry and Corolla. But in 2025, the Toyota Crown is rewriting the rulebook. At first glance, the Crown doesn't look flashy. Its design is sleek but restrained, falling somewhere between a sedan and a crossover. Most people on the street wouldn't peg it as anything more than a slightly upscale Toyota. But the second you slide into the driver's seat, the Crown reveals its true character. Inside, you'll find plush seating with available leather trim, soft touch panels, and an interior layout that feels refreshingly premium. The cabin is spacious and quiet, with high-end details like real wood-style accents and ambient lighting that creates a calm, luxury vibe. The dual-screen infotainment setup, paired with Toyota's latest software, makes the tech feel both modern and intuitive. On the road, the Crown feels more like a Lexus than a Toyota. Its hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, seamless acceleration, while the suspension absorbs imperfections without transmitting them to the cabin. At highway speeds, the ride is incredibly hushed, so much so that you might forget you're driving something with a Toyota badge at all. And with Toyota's reputation for reliability, the Crown blends premium comfort with peace of mind that rivals can't match. But while Toyota has crafted a premium sleeper sedan, Nissan has quietly created something even more surprising, an SUV that hides its luxury credentials behind a modest price and an unassuming badge. Number 3. Nissan Murano. The Nissan Murano has always been a bit of an underrated SUV, often overshadowed by flashier competitors. But the 2025 Murano is one of the biggest surprises of the year, and one of the clearest examples of a car that looks average on the outside but feels luxury on the inside. At first glance, the Murano blends into the SUV crowd with its simple, aerodynamic lines. It doesn't scream premium the way some European crossovers do. But step inside, and it feels like you've been transported into a near-luxury lounge. The seats are among the most comfortable in the segment, with Nissan's zero-gravity design that supports the body perfectly for long drives. Premium leather options, stitched detailing, and a wide, flowing dashboard design elevate the cabin to a level that feels much closer to infinity than Nissan. The drive is equally impressive. Nissan has tuned the Murano's suspension for a plush, cushiony ride that makes it one of the most comfortable crossovers in its price range. Road noise is minimal, the cabin feels serene, and the V6 powertrain delivers smooth, effortless performance. It's not a sporty SUV, but that's the point. The Murano prioritizes comfort and refinement, exactly what luxury buyers look for. The best part? It offers all of this without the premium price tag of luxury rivals. For buyers who value comfort, relaxation, and style without overpaying, the Murano is a hidden gem of 2025. And if you think Nissan surprised you, just wait until we look at Kia, a brand once known only for budget-friendly cars, now producing vehicles that could trick you into thinking you're driving a true luxury machine. Number 2. Kia EV6. Not long ago, Kia was considered a bargain brand. Fast forward to 2025, and the Kia EV6 is one of the best-kept secrets in the electric vehicle world. A car that looks simple enough but delivers refinement that rivals Tesla and even some luxury German EVs. From the outside, the EV6 has a futuristic but understated design. It doesn't wear an overly bold grille or sharp creases meant to grab attention. In fact, many people mistake it for just another mid-tier crossover. But stepping into the cabin is where the surprise begins. Inside, you're greeted with a sleek, minimalist interior dominated by dual panoramic screens that sweep across the dashboard. Materials feel premium, with soft touch panels, optional vegan leather, and ambient lighting that gives the interior a lounge-like quality. But the true luxury of the EV6 reveals itself when you drive it. Acceleration is instant, buttery smooth, and shockingly quiet, with no engine vibration or harshness. The cabin stays serene even at highway speeds, and the suspension glides over imperfections without ever feeling sloppy. Kia also equips it with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise and lane centering, that make long drives feel effortless. The EV6 proves you don't need a Tesla badge to enjoy luxury EV motoring. It's the perfect example of a cheap-looking car that delivers a premium, futuristic driving experience. And if Kia has stunned buyers with its EV luxury, our final pick will blow you away. Because Chevrolet, a brand often associated with trucks and affordability, has created one of the most surprising luxury-like vehicles of 2025. Number 1. Chevrolet Blazer EV. When you think of Chevrolet, luxury probably isn't the first word that comes to mind. But the 2025 Blazer EV is turning heads by delivering a premium experience at a price that undercuts luxury brands. At first glance, it looks like a stylish but fairly ordinary midsize SUV. The design is bold yet approachable, with sporty lines that don't immediately suggest high-end refinement. But open the door, and everything changes. Inside, the Blazer EV's cabin feels like it belongs to a much more expensive vehicle. A massive curved infotainment display dominates the dashboard, paired with a digital driver cluster that rivals the tech setups found in Cadillac. Materials throughout the cabin feel solid and premium, with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and upscale finishes. The available panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting elevate the interior to a level most people never expect from Chevrolet. Driving it reinforces the luxury surprise. The EV platform delivers instant torque for smooth acceleration, while the low center of gravity keeps it planted through turns. The suspension tuning leans toward comfort, soaking up bumps and rough pavement with ease. At highway speeds, the cabin is whisper quiet, offering a level of serenity that makes long drives genuinely enjoyable. Chevy has also packed in high-end features like Super Cruise hands-free driving, a technology usually reserved for Cadillac. It's proof that the Blazer EV isn't just another crossover. It's a near-luxury SUV hiding in plain sight. And there you have it. From Kia to Chevrolet, these are the cars of 2025 that don't look like luxury on the outside, but absolutely feel like it on the inside. Here's the shocking truth. In 2025, the luxury market has changed forever. For decades, buyers equated high-end driving with high-end badges, Mercedes, BMW, Audi. But the cars we've just covered prove something radical. You don't need to spend $70,000, $80,000, or more to feel like you're driving in true comfort with cutting-edge tech and premium materials. Take the Hyundai Sonata and Honda Accord, two family sedans that once had reputations for being purely practical. Today, they've quietly risen to the level of entry luxury vehicles, offering cabin serenity and premium design without the premium price tag. Then, there's the Mazda CX-50 and Nissan Murano, SUVs that